Hi, I am creating this video to remind you about how to annotate an article. The first thing that you want to do is you want to read the article in full, and then you go back. So on the second read, you're starting your highlights. By the time you get through highlighting an article, you should have read it at least 3 times. So on the first read, you're just reading straight through. On the second read, you are looking for words that you are unfamiliar with or that you don't understand at all. You're looking at the words around that particular word and the sentences in around that word before and after, and the sentence where you found it, to see if you can figure out the context clues. What kind of clues are given in the article that helps you understand that word? And then you can look the word up in a dictionary. I suggest Merriam-Webster.com as opposed to dictionary.com because Merriam-Webster gives a more academic tone in the definitions. So once you highlight that word, you have to make a comment on it. And your comment could be simply what the word means in the context of the article. You can't just underline or highlight a word and not make a comment on it. Everything that you highlight has to have a comment. So the next thing that you're highlighting and in a different color. Your words should be in one color and your important facts should be in another color. So you're going to read through the article a third time. This time you're looking for important facts that needs to be brought out. And once you highlight those important facts, you're going to also write a comment on it. You can't just highlight, and then what? Make a comment. Your comment when you're highlighting the important facts could simply be a paraphrase of that fact. It could be a question about that fact. It could be a question that fact answers. And you can even write your opinion. If you agree with the fact, you can say, I agree because. And if you don't agree, and that's a good thing, actually, because that helps to stimulate your thinking a little more. You can say, I don't agree with this fact, with this statement in the article because, and then you explain why you don't agree with it. You want to look for the topic sentence or the thesis statement of the article. Every article has one. You want to look for that. And you want to see how the author, what statements the author used to answer or to support his thesis statement or his topic sentence. The thesis statement could be a 3-part parallel thesis statement like you're learning how to write, or it could be a simple thesis statement. You want to pay close attention to the thesis statements and the topic sentences of every paragraph, and you want to comment on them. Your comments again could be a simple paraphrase, but if you want to really engage yourself and think about what you're reading, you want to ask questions and answer questions in your comments. That's how you annotate an article. And so then you can review the article again to see if you forgot anything and to see if you missed anything, or see if you just want to add something else. And again, it is okay if you don't agree with the article. That's a good thing, actually. That shows that you are thinking and you're not just looking for simple facts. You are actually engaging yourself and thinking about the article, and you are connecting with the article. So this is a reminder of how to highlight, of how to annotate. Highlight, yes, but highlight and then what? Have a wonderful day.